Good morning. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back, guys. Important lesson coming your way. A smashy worthy video coming your way today. We're gonna go through a lesson on short squeezes, a pattern to focus on the psychology behind the short squeeze that you can see happening with a lot of stocks like AMC, GME, but penny stocks in general. That's the way you trade them. Well, I'm gonna provide a pattern for you guys. You can use in your own trading. But most importantly, we're also gonna go through a live trading session from A to Z. It's good to be back, guys. I've been discouraged from making these videos just because of the bots that have been infesting the comment sections on YouTube and my channel, where they would basically have a fake account looking like mine and they respond to your comments. Not everybody's tech savvy, so some people do fall for it. Well, they give you a phone number, Bitcoin, whatever it is. Just remember, if you get something similar to this, even if it has my name and picture, then it's probably, guys, a scam. Don't fall for it. The only official links that I provide are going to be pinned by my verified username. With that being said, let's get right into it. Let's go through the analysis and the live trading session from A to Z. And don't forget that smashy. Okay, guys, so let's get right into it. My game plan has been shared. So this here, guys, is the game plan that I shared with my team. Now, this is what I believe will happen, the pattern. And I just want to go over it, explain it to you guys briefly. So, according to psychology, anybody that bought pre-market will have to sell. But let me just explain to you what stocks I'm going to be watching. I'm going to be watching AMC and NIO. Okay, now AMC, guys, is up by 20% already pre-market. Okay, so 23%. So the 23%, about 3-4% of those will have to sell, causing this drop from A to B. Okay, now at A to B, you will have support at B. Now, B will have a lot of buying pressure. At B, you will have buying pressure causing it to go over to C. At C, you get a short squeeze. Why? Well, because that's where majority of shorts get squeezed out after placing their cover positions or take a loss position, because now they shorted at A, it went to B, and obviously you make money when it goes down in value as a short seller or a short trader. But in this case, it found support, buying pressure at B, and the shorts ended up covering at B. Those who remain, right, will get squeezed at C. Now, this will cause it even, to pump even further. So that's the psychology behind this, guys. And obviously, you will have something like this halfway through the day. So keep that in mind. And that's how you trade these kind of short squeezes, or in general, any stock that is at resistance. Okay, so we're going to be using the new broker. Now, guys, this new broker has level 2s, so I can get to see who is selling, who is buying. So you can see there is a lot of mixed kind of reactions pre-market, and you have more kind of buyers coming in as well as sellers coming in. But on market open, we will see a big block of red, and that's because we are looking at an A to B to form on market open, and then from B to C to form later on. Okay, guys, so stock market open. Now you can see, guys, AMC I'm not able to trade, and most brokers will restrict such trades to happen on market open just because they're too volatile. So I'm going to be focused on NIO instead. Now, NIO was also in the game plan, guys, but AMC is doing exactly what we said, right? Big red candle, drop, followed by support to be held, and then a further spike. So that's what we're gonna see, guys. Okay, so let's see how NIO is doing. So NIO is at the top here, so that's where it is, guys, where this line is. Okay, so it's holding support. Now we're seeing a breakout of some sort here. So, like I said with AMC, happening exactly as I mentioned, guys, in that pattern we spoke about earlier. So, it's unfortunate enough that we get this broker not allowing us to trade. Nevertheless, guys, we have NIO doing its thing. So, it just added 1,000 shares. Okay, on NIO, and here is AMC doing this thing again, guys. So remember what we said. This was A, we dropped to B, now we go to C. Now that's if there is in fact a short squeeze. Let me focus on my trade. So we're up about $40 on NIO so far. Now this trade here, guys, we could see a little correction forming, and I'll enter another 1,000 shares. My buying power is a lot, so don't compare yourself with what I have. But it looks like NIO is really pumping. Okay, so I added another 1,000 shares here. We're $300 up, 370, 4 something, 490. But it is the first day we're using this broker, guys, so let's make it a good day. How about that? Right, $500 profit so far, guys. So I wanted to start this broker on a green note. So we've made our 500, although I should have stayed even further. But this chat room so far, I want to just show you some results. I know it motivates a lot of you. Green means profit on this chat room, guys. Well done. Now, here is the pattern. Remember what I said, guys. And this is how AMC played out. We predicted this before it even happened. And that's why it's important to understand the psychology of the market. Well done, guys. Good job. So that's it for today, guys. We're $500 up. If you've seen this, we started with 35. Now we're 35,500. And I'll keep chipping away as I go. Here is AMC doing exactly what we said it would do. Now remember, I shared this with my team before the market even opened. So a lot of them got to benefit from this. We had A, B, C. Now, if I'm correct, we will go above C, and that's when you will see more gains being added. Now, obviously, it's unfortunate that I couldn't trade it here, but I did make another trade, so that worked out fine. Just because I'm on a CFDs account, not an equities account, so I might have to change that to an equities account. But they're very helpful in changing to equities account. Okay, guys. Well, that trade is now complete. Took us 5 minutes. NIO was the second play that I mentioned. The first play didn't go as I planned. So basically, the broker restricted this to protect the customer or the client, because too much volatility can blow up an account. So that's why these stocks like AMC, GME get restricted. However, I always have the second backup, which is NIO. And NIO, guys, if you go back to the analysis that I had, you can basically learn why I went with that. Because it has positive news. On market open, it didn't drop. It held support, held market open price. The only thing that could make sense is if new buyers come in, they will pump it. And that's what happened. So, according to game plan, guys, and that's why psychology is important to understand. See you next time. Peace and love. The broker I'm using, there's a link in the comment section. It's also a referral link. You get cheaper commission. Request a demo account, try it out. For those interested in joining the team, there's a link in the comment section as well. That's the official way to get it and get on the inside. Comments that respond to you guys in the comment section. Remember, these are scammers. I do not respond to comments asking you for numbers or giving you my number or whatever it is. So do be careful, guys. Okay? Peace. See you next time. Don't forget that smashy smashy.